Okay, so this is a clamp-on disc power strip. I don't know if you guys ever seen these. This one's made by Howpow. It's actually a really good quality built power strip. I don't even know why this issue happened, but I did file a warranty on it. It was still under warranty, and Howpow sent out a brand new one to me. So, Howpow, if you're watching this, thank you. It did help. Got me by, but while I was at it, I thought I'd go ahead and take this apart and see what the issue was. So what happened is the outlets worked fine on this and everything, but after a few months, the two Type-C ports you see here just randomly stopped working on me. Wouldn't work no more, wouldn't charge, wouldn't get power, however you want to call it. So I thought it might have been a power regulator chip on the board that made them both go out. But actually, shockingly, it was just a torn copper trace, which is basically when they build the circuit boards, they have the raw board, then they have the green that is covering the traces where all the little pieces of metal go inside. And what happened is one of those got torn somehow. So my guess is probably just shipping, putting it together. You know, I mean, we all have accidents. Sometimes maybe somebody could have pushed too hard when they were soldering in the Type-C circuit board you see here, and it just pushed the trace up a little bit. So thankfully there was just enough left that I was able to take some solder and actually bridge the gap, and now it's working on both of them. So mind you, there was only a torn copper pad on one Type-C port, but it was affecting both of them. So I just wanted to do that short video just to show you guys what I've done to fix this if you ever have any issues, because in all honesty, I think a lot of these power strips are built by the exact same company, and they just rebrand them. So it's probably a common issue with some of them. So if you ever have that issue, just check your copper traces on the circuit board. And the way you do that is this one here. I first looked over the whole board, but then after I just barely wiggled this, you can hear a slight squeak. That's usually how you can quickly find it. It'll squeak a little bit, and then you'll see it actually lift up from the board. So this one's fixed now, and now I'm just going to put it back together, and we're going to do some final testing to make sure that it's still working after it's put in its enclosure. And just a quick side note for anyone wondering what this screwdriver is. This is a Hyper-Tough 26-in-1 screwdriver. Just Walmart Hyper-Tough brand. Cost around $30. Great little screwdriver. 4 volts. Has many bits. Held in magnetically. Has a screw magnetizer up at the top. All goes inside of a sleek little case. And it is Type-C rechargeable. Really nice little screwdriver. I'm going to put a link in the description below. Non-affiliate link, just a regular link going to Walmart.com in case you guys want to check the availability at your local Walmart for one of these. Because it even has the triangle bit that I needed to take this apart. Alright, so we've got the power strip back together. One note, when you're testing USB devices like this, never plug in your phone. Always use something just cheaper or something that you don't care much for. I'm just going to use a cheap flashlight off Amazon. Let's see. If you got a USB meter, you can use one of those too. So we're going to plug in the flashlight. You see we're getting charging off of that port. and we're getting charging off of that port, and those two USBs were working fine before. So now it's fixed. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like and subscribe, and hope you have happy tinkering on your favorite projects, and have a blessed day.